Welcome to Porto. Portugal's city of bridges, charm, and timeless stories. Here, medieval streets wind through vibrant neighborhoods, the scent of fresh pastries fills the air, and the sound of Portuguese guitar drifts from cozy cafes. In this journey, we'll explore the heart of Porto, from its friendly, welcoming people to its world-famous cuisine, centuries-old architecture, and deep-rooted traditions. Whether you're strolling through the colorful Ribeira district, tasting the iconic Francesinha, or watching the sunset over the Douro, Porto promises to capture your heart. Imagine stepping off a plane into a city where every street feels like history's stage and every corner holds a new discovery. Porto, Portugal, is one of the oldest cities in the world, a vibrant blend of tradition, culture, and modern innovation. In this short video, we'll journey through Porto's charming streets, taste its unforgettable cuisine, meet people from all around the globe, and experience the energy of ideas taking shape. Whether it's the stunning architecture, the flavorful dishes, or the warm spirit of its people, Porto has a way of making every moment unforgettable. Hola, Porto. Landing here for the very first time feels like stepping into a living postcard. The air is filled with history, the streets hum with life, and every corner promises a new story to uncover. Porto is one of the oldest cities in the world, a place where tradition meets innovation. The architecture whispers tales from centuries past, yet the energy is fresh and modern. Of course, no journey is complete without tasting the city. From family-run cafes, serving affordable, hearty meals, to modern eateries, blending flavors from around the globe, Porto's food scene is an adventure in itself. Porto is a crossroads of cultures. Here, you'll meet a people from all over the world, each with their own story, each adding a new shade to this city's vibrant mosaic. This is also a city of innovation, a place where ideas are born, tested, and brought to life. From product design to real-world business pitches, Porto inspires creativity at every turn. Whether it's a bustling market or a formal expo, Porto is a city shaped by the Douro River, once the main route for trade and the birthplace of world-famous port wine. Its skyline is marked by stunning Baroque churches, built with dramatic details and golden interiors that reflect the city's rich past. Walking through Porto, you'll find a blend of Romanesque, Gothic, Baroque, and modern architecture, each telling a chapter of history. Porto is also a city of flavors, from fresh seafood like sardines and octopus to sweet treats such as the beloved pastel de nata. It is home to world-renowned business schools, drawing students from across the globe. The city also preserves traditions, like the ancient dye pits, where fabric coloring has been practiced for hundreds of years. Centuries ago, Portugal was a maritime empire, dominating global trade and exploration. Today, it stands as a modern democratic republic, once ruled by kings, now governed by its people. Porto thrives on connection. It's where networking feels natural and collaboration becomes a way of life. And when the work is done, the city invites you to explore, stroll by the river, enjoy the music in the streets, or savor a glass of port wine as the sun sets over the rooftops. As the journey comes to a close, one thing is certain: Porto leaves an imprint on your heart. From its warm people to its timeless beauty, this is a place you'll always carry with you. Obrigado, Porto, for the memories.